And Karina. Oh. Okay. Oh. Good morning, my baby. There you go. Let it all out. She has some wind trapped inside of her body. Say hi, Papa. Yeah. You. What are you doing? Come here. Woo. What's it? Boom. Boom. There you go. You have hands. Oh, my baby. Oh, good job. Yeah, look at the sky. Chandelier. Yeah, Papa sees the chandelier, baby. It's awesome. I love you. I love you so much. Are you ready? Are we ready to get up? Mwah. Mwah. I love you. The dream catcher. And the chandelier. Yeah. Say, we gotta get up. We're gonna go to an egg hunt, right? Yeah. We got things we gotta do. And Papa needs to sleep. No. Honey, you wanna come with us? Okay.
Why do they want to do that?
I don't know. Just making sure that you're invited, just in case. It's Papa's special treat. Say yeah. Say Papa's usually gone when you wake up.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that face. I think she's trying to get down off the bed. Papa loves you, baby. He just needs to rest. Papa has work tomorrow. Yeah. Now you cuddle with them now.
Because Mommy's going to be gone all day.
You're going to be sleeping all day.
No, I shouldn't be.
Are you getting up?
No, but you should fucking be here and...
I'm only leaving until like 1.
Turn this crap off.